Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi. This video will be part 9 video of my SolidWorks mini vacuum cleaner project. Alright, in my previous video I have already shown you how I have done the cylindrical container, the dust container. And for this video I would like to show you, I will do the next component, which is the air filter for this my mini vacuum cleaner. Alright, so this is the air filter. Actually it's called HEPA filter, HEPA, which is high efficiency particulate air filter. Alright, for this part modeling of this HEPA filter or air filter, actually we have three parts here. We have the rear cap, the front cap, at the back there, and also in the middle we have kind like special material, kind like microfiber materials. So we have three components here, and I consider these three components, I consider it as one part, which is this HEPA filter. Alright, to do this modeling of this HEPA filter, or simply I can call it the air filter, I will do the similar approach like what I've done for the cylindrical container. I do it in assembly mode. The benefit of doing your new part modeling in assembly mode, because you can know the position of your component and you can use the other component like this cylindrical container as a reference for you to do the modeling of your new part. Alright, so I will do this new part modeling of this HEPA filter in assembly mode. Alright, better I isolate this cylindrical container. So it means I have the reference where I will begin my new part modeling. As you can see in this cylindrical container, I have the surface here that I've already done a cutout. So this will be my starting point. If you look at the photo here, actually this is the edge where I will start doing my part modeling. So since the diameter is 50, and I will extrude it about 5 units to this direction, right? So I will do the rear cap first. Alright, so here it means in SolidWorks, so when I want to do a new part modeling in assembly mode, so here under insert component I can go for new part, and SolidWorks will ask for which sketch plane I will start my new part modeling. So I will select this surface as my starting plane. So I already have, so it turns to transparent for the cylindrical container. Now I have the outline, so this would be my guide curve for me to do my part modeling. So I will convert entities, then I will exit the sketch and edit part mode. So if you can see now, and we have on the list here part 4 here, so I will click at it, then I will open the new part modeling. Alright, so this is a typical new part modeling. So here I will do features, I will do extrude, I will select this one. So the direction is here as shown in this photo. I will go for thickness of 5, right, thickness of 5. So then I will go for 5, then I have the basic shape of the rear cap, then I click OK. Right, as you can see in the photo, I have a basic shape, and actually the diameter is 50, because as you can see, even if I evaluate, I measure it, so this one is diameter is 50. Alright, so it will nicely fit inside the surface of the cylindrical container. So here, as you can see also, we have kind of like a shell here. So I will do shell of, okay, the shell is 1 millimeter. So I will do a shell of 1 millimeter, and we'll select this one. So I have this thing, right? Okay, another thing, as you can see, we have okay, let me measure again this one. Okay, about this diameter here. So I forgot to add dimension. So this diameter will be let me measure it. It will be 30. So it will be 30 millimeter. So this one is 30 millimeter. Hold on, this is 30 millimeter, the diameter. Alright, okay, 30 diameter. So it means that here I will do diameter 30 and goes like this. And also we have internal cut there, so I will do offset of 1 millimeter. So I will do offset of 1, so it goes for reverse direction. I will go for 0.75, even less than 1 inside. So then I click OK, then I have this thing, and now I will do extrude. I will do extrude, and it goes up to surface. Alright, up to surface, so it means at this position. So I have this, and this would be the shape of my rear cap here, and inside that I have a smaller diameter, and it will go for cut through all. Right, it will go for cut through all. Okay, here we have a hole here, so I will do a circle of a diameter. Let me check that the diameter is about 22. All right, diameter is about 22. And then I will do pictures, extruded, cut, and I go for through all. Right, through all. So this would be basic shape of my rear cap. And also at the front end, you cannot see at the front end, we have as already put dimension, we have a diameter of 40, and since the total thickness is 8, so the balance is since I have 5 here, another 3, and the diameter is 40. So means that here at this surface I will create a sketch. So we have a diameter of 40. Alright, diameter of 40, and yep, diameter is 40. So I will do offset of inside the reverse direction. So this one I will do features extrude, balance of I will go for blind, balance of 3, since the total thickness will be 8 millimeter. Right, the total thickness will be 8 millimeter. So this is a shape of the rear cap, like I shown in this photo. Okay, so this will be the basic shape of the rear cap. Alright, let me save this thing as okay, hold on, let me save as okay, just click OK. Let me save as a HEPA filter. Alright, I already saved this thing as HEPA filter. Then if I go to the assembly, as you can see, alright, as you can see now in assembly mode, so it means it's nicely in position. If I go for this section view, so this HEPA filter, the base, the rear cap here is already in position. It's nicely fitted. As you can see, we have a shoulder here, so it will be nicely fitted onto this cylindrical container. Right, okay, I go back to the part modeling mode. Alright, so this HEPA filter, so I'm now back in part modeling mode. Okay, as you can see in this photo, we have another at the front there. We have a front cap, and the diameter is 27, and extrusion to this direction is 5. So 42 from the end here. So it means that for this I need to position. So I will go for plane, then I will go for flip offset 42 to that side. So it means that yes, it's 42. Then it means here I will create a sketch I will go for the other direction. I will go for circle, and the diameter is 27. Diameter is 27. Okay, diameter is 27. Is 27. Diameter is 27, and the extrusion is not updating, and the extrusion extrude is for 5. Alright, extrusion is 5. Alright, this one okay, extrusion is 5. This one I don't care, even I check measurements since it's not touching anybody, so it's considered as one separate body. If I click OK, now I have two body. One is the rear cap, this one is the front cap. Okay, for the front cap we have shell of 1 millimeter thickness, so I will go for shell 1. So I select this one, so I now have the front cap. Let me save my file again, and now I will do positioning. Okay, let me check in assembly mode. Right, in assembly mode I click yes, then in the section view, in the section view, as you can see now, I already positioned the front cap. Okay, so now it's about the middle component where we have the filter. Alright, the microfiber material filter. I off this thing, then I go back to the part modeling mode. Now I will show you how I will do this middle part, which is the air filter. Alright, okay, to do the middle part, the air filter here, so here if you look at the photo here, so we have the middle part here. Right, so this is the air filter. The material is a microfiber material, and the shape is actually a star shape, so it means I will create a repeated pattern, circular pattern of a star shape. So later, and also the star shape at the front end there. So then later I will show you how I will do loft. But the best way to do this, let me show you. And here, alright, so here the base will be here. So this I will select this sketch plane, so I will create a center line from this point and attach to this point. Alright, so this will be, I will create a, okay, before, let me explain to you a little bit. Okay, before I create a V shape, here I need to position kind like another, I don't want it to start at here. I will create another circle at here, little bit at this point. Alright, so I will give a diameter of about 23. So this will be where I will create a V shape. Alright, where I create a V shape, and this one I will make it as a construction geometry. Alright, one thing to mention, if I create a V shape from here, a V shape here, then I will do circular pattern. I think the division will be 34 or 33. If I make a circular pattern, then, but sometimes if you don't do it the correct way, you have to trim all the intersection curves, so that will be a tedious works to do. A better way to do this, okay, there is a command in SolidWorks. If you look here, hold on, if you look in the menu, not under insert, under tools, we have sketch tool. We have a command named segment. Segment, it means like I want to make it 34 segment. So if I select this circle, so we have a 34 segment. If I go for 33, it's kind of like not balanced left and the right. It's not symmetrical, so better I go for 34. So it means equally divide here from this vertical axis, same goes at the bottom here. So I will make it as 34 segments. So I click OK. Now I have a division point. Okay, I don't care this is underdefined. You can even move this point. I don't want to move any point here. So I have a base circle there. So what I will do, based on 34 division, then only I will create a line from this point to make sure it's snap at that point, and also I will draw another line from make sure it's snap at that end point and this division point. So that's all I need, right? Okay, I don't want to make a circular pattern on this. I just remade it one, so I will make the same at this surface, and then I will do loft from one of this. I will do loft based on these two sketch. It will create only one profile of it. Then later I will do circular pattern of the whole thing. Right, so I've done at the sketch at the back here. So about here. Alright, about this one, and I will create at this sketch plane. So I will go like this. I will create similar approach, a center line from this point, make sure it goes vertical and it touch, vertical like this, it touch that quadrant point. And okay, if I do loft, it kind of like intersect with the ceiling of this cap. So I make a circle little bit. Okay, hold on. Right. Okay, this circle I need to drag it. Hold on. Okay, let me delete this thing. Okay, this circle I need to drag it about this size, right? About this size. So it means this will be my alright, I will make about this size. Because I don't want to do loft, it will overlap with the ceiling about this size. So I will give this one a diameter of let me go for 23. Later I can adjust it if we have any intersection. Alright, I don't want any intersection when I do loft. Okay, even okay, I can go even smaller. I can go for 22. Alright, for this diameter. And this one also I need to make it as a construction geometry. And another one is about the base circle. This one, okay, it's my memory of my laptop is kind of like not updating my circle, and I give a diameter about, I can go for 17. Let me go for 17. So this will be, hold on, let me go for 15. All right, okay, the base circle is 15. And okay, this one I set to construction geometry. Then I will, okay, what I will do now, so I have a base circle here. Okay, let me delete this point. So it means I want this to be snapped at this quadrant point. So I have, okay, so this will be the base circle. Now I will draw, what I will do, I will create a segment here. So tool, the tool we have sketch tool, then we have segment, and number is equal is 34. So I will select this circle. So I have a division of 34, and now I will create a V shape here. Okay, this one I don't have to be fully defined. So as long you don't accidentally move this point. So I have this base shape for the second profile for me to do surface loft. So this is a thin line, so I cannot do solid loft. I will not go to features. This is for solid, so I go for surface. We also have a lofted surface. Profile, I go for selection manager, so I use the second option. Let me go for this one. Okay, it's already detected. Then I click OK, so it's detect the, okay, this profile. Okay, for the second profile, okay, I use selection manager. Be careful when the first profile I select on the right side, so it means the second profile also I select on the right side. Then I click OK, so it means the loft is not twisted. So the alignment of this green dot is in line, right? So I just click OK. So this one is just okay, that's good. There is no intersect with the ceiling, so this would be, okay, let me adjust again this cache. No, this cache I edit it. Okay, here I can go to 15. I can go for 15, this one, and I adjust again this cache. What I mean, this one I make little bit bigger. I go for 23, so a little bit bigger, then it's not a big thing. So this one 23, then I exit. Okay, now is okay, this is okay, no intersection with the ceiling. Okay, now what I will do here, I will do a repeated pattern, alright, circular pattern. So under features we have a circular pattern, then I can use this circular edge, and okay, this one is bodies to pattern, not features, so I select this body. So the number is 34, I go for 34, then I click OK. Now I have this shape here. Okay, let me hide this for a while, and I hide the front cap for a while. So I have the basic shape, a star shape. This will be the filter, as you can see here. So since this is a thin surface, we don't have any thickness. Okay, another thing in surface, because we have, if you look here on the list of the feature manager, I have surface body 34 number of it. So I mean I need to join all these 34 surface here. So under the surface here we have a knit. I mean we join everything as one. So I simply select everything, so it's reading. So here it's already so I click OK, so it will be knitted as one surface, right? We have one surface, as you can see on the list here. We have one surface body already knitted, already jointed as one surface. But now it's still a thin surface, we don't have any thickness. To make it as a solid, under the surface I have a thicken, so I go for thicken. So I give a really tiny amount, not 1 millimeter is so thick, even I go for 0.2 or maybe 0.1. So I go for 0.2, and if by default the option is at the first one, if I select the surface, as you can see, it make the outer direction of the thicken, but I go for the third option, it goes inside, and 0.2 is the thickness. Then if I click OK, hold on, so then it would create as a solid. Okay, we have a thin fin, the star shape. So this will be our air filter. Alright, if I on back the rear and back casing, now I have a nice, okay, air filter in the middle. So I save this HEPA filter. Then if I show you in the assembly, and right in assembly, let me okay, I select this HEPA filter, and this one I select it. Okay, I select it just to show you. So now we have nice air filter is fitted into this rear casing. I can show you in the section view. Right, we have the air filter is in this inside this dust container. Alhamdulillah, I have completed part modeling of this HEPA filter for my mini vacuum cleaner. Inshallah, in the next video I will show you the other component, which is this one. As you can see, we have a valve there, right? Okay, inshallah I will see you guys in the next video, but before that, please do not forget to click like, subscribe, and promote this video to your friends, and ask them to subscribe my channel, because this will motivate me to do more video on SolidWorks, so it will help you guys to learn more about SolidWorks. Okay, inshallah I will see you in the next video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi.